What's up, Mr. Smiley? Mr. Smiley, what's up? What's up? Where you guys driving to? Where you driving to?
Yes, where are you going? Huh?
I'm excited.
What? You can't tell us that he's not doing something right now. Yes. I'm sorry. Where are you going?
Ami, where did you take your brother a while ago?
Where did you guys drive to, Ami? No. Ami, he can't chase you. Right now, you see him looking back. He wants him to chase him. I mean, he can't run yet. Let's go.
OMG. One. Suppose one day come on and see me pushing that.
Stress? What do you know about the steering wheel?
Roll out in the Benz, bossy.
You scared?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
What's up? You want to jump? You want to go and jump hard? Jump? Alright, come, let's go.
Yeah, he's a showman.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go and jump hard.
Hey. Welcome back to the Powell family.
It's an active morning.
Very active morning.
What? One over there, one over here. I mean, take your C. Take your letter C. C, take it. You're what? You're jumping? You're jumping? And stuff, you're jumping? Whoa, look at those moves. Check out the what? What's that? Remix to the jumping? Wow. Remix. Remix.
This morning I was thinking to go in the pool, but then I remember.
Remember what? You remember what? I'm thinking.
I remember I don't have the energy.
I am thinking when Amik is doing his swimming lessons, I'm gonna take Zach in the pool for the first time.
So Azaf will start his swimming lessons very soon. Well, I think sometime this month or next month, Azaf is going to start his swimming lessons. So we'll have two swimming boys in the house. So
Yeah, because if he's trying to follow
we need it
everything-
because we have the swimming pool and these boys are very active. So they have to learn to swim.
Airplane. Bye, airplane. See you later. Going up, up, up.
Whoa.
If you guys see me scratching over here, mosquitoes. So itchy.
Alicia been living here for so long and up until now, mosquito still biting her. She can't get used to the mosquito.
Sweet blood. That's
Sweet
what
blood.
it is.
So my blood the bitter.
Yeah. Because that's what it
My skin, guys, the mosquitoes don't like to pierce my skin. It's too hard. My skin is too tough for the mosquito.
And well, so
But man, yeah, Alicia's skin soft. When them bite her, man, her skin does swell up.
Yeah, and then it
I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys have the same problem. Mosquitoes, I have that problem whenever I go to a foreign country. So them mosquito they're different. I remember Italy. Jeez, I don't understand them mosquito the boy. Them speak a different Italian language. I don't understand it. The mosquito bite you and speak some Italian. Hot? Man.
That's what I'm going through here.
Jump, 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 jump. Hey, 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 hey. Jump, jump, jump. Jumpy, 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 jumpy. Wait, wait, wait. Hey. Alicia ever upon her phone, guys.
Guys, because I'm technically like an assistant.
Guys, she always upon her phone. Every time I video, every time I'm videoing, she's on her phone.
It's actually your stuff I'm doing, you know. I am his assistant.
Oh no. Wow. Wow. Look like a rude boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Look like a rude boy.
Oh booty.
Hot? Hot? Look at it. You don't like it like that?
Getting decorated.
No,
No.
I don't want new decoration.
no. This also. Mama.
Here you go.
Thank you. Uy, 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 uy. Look at mama. Uy.
Peekaboo.
Uy. How's that look at rude
Thank
boy?
you for the plane. Thank you
Yeah.
for the number 2.
You see, how's that for show you in style?
Yeah. Azaf. Azaf, what is going on?
Style. Style and pattern.
Amik, what is going on?
Ami, come, chop. Come.
Jump, 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 jump.
Come sit.
Jump. 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 You're going to start that and it won't end, you know. You set a trap for yourself.
Serious. What?
That was awesome. Come on. He said, come on.
Come on. You're moving slow, buddy. You're moving slow, buddy. Come on, you have to get up and breathe. So I'm taking time. And then push him again. I'm going to do the same thing.
You're almost there. Almost there, Amik. Almost there.
1, 2, 3.
You crashed. Oh no.
Oh, you get a boo-boo. You get a boo-boo. You get a boo-boo. Go get the choke. Go get the choke. Go get the choke, buddy. Go.
Pull-ups.
In the pull-ups, so
Cushions
get some
up.
cushion when they fall. Come, choke, come. Come on me. Come. Come.
Truck.
Come.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
You crashed?
Come
Come
on.
on, come on, come
Come on, let's
on.
go.
Come
Come
on.
on, see that one? You get it.
Yes, your truck. Truck. Yes. Is it a garbage truck? What kind of truck is it?
3, 2, 1.
Blast
Blast
off.
off!
Oops. Oops.
Hey.
Azab, they still have the hat on you? They don't know that you're gonna get hot.
My child.
You're slow. truck.
1,
2, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Feel like me done.
Oops.
Feel like me tired now.
How are you tired?
Eh?
Are you tired? You're not eating
I
anything?
don't know. My finger just get tired, man.
Lord.
Asa.
7, 6, 7.
4, 3, 2, 1. Bless up.
Whenever I meet somebody counting and he just do lip sync. Real blast off that. Real blast off.
Blast off.
Guys, we used to measure Amik every time, but Alicia forgot.
Why is everything Alicia? You don't have a brain as well?
It's either Asafa or Alicia, and I'm going to choose Alicia. I'm not going to blame myself. Right, Asaf? So,
Found something else.
yeah.
What happened to your truck?
29 inches at 10 months, 30 inches at 11
Look
months,
at this.
13 months.
What
Where
happened to the truck?
It wipe off because I mean mess up the wall, so they wipe off. So 3 feet at 21 months.
Hi, how are you?
I'm eating next.
Whoa, whoa. You're dancing? Whoa. Wow, wow.
He can't see himself now, so I'm excited.
Wow, I mean.
Wow.
Now what was that, dancing? Dancing, baby. Dancing.
Guys, I'm wondering how travel is these days. If it's gonna be weird, I don't know. With all that's going on in Ukraine, I don't know what traveling is going to be like, but you know, looking forward to it. Yeah, we'll see. And hopefully it goes very smooth. Man, I'm afraid of traveling. Everything your brother playing with, they want to take away.
Dinosaur says rah, rah, rah.
The what?
Dinosaur says rah, rah, rah is what he's singing.
Oh.
Oh no! I done it! Whoa, whoa.
How's that? Your brother roughing you up? You look at jeans. What you look at jeans?
Ah! Oh no! I just done
A dinosaur said what? Hmm?
I said critical. And where is it?
A dinosaur said what?
Whoa!
The dinosaur said roar.
Where's off? Don't even know what's going on. I just had to sneak out the house, guys. When you have a child like Amik, he will teach you how to sneak out. If I bring Amik on the road, Amik is going to pull his seatbelt, try climb around to drive the car. Whenever I drive this little car, I think Amik think it's a toy. So Amik always pull the seatbelt, try climb around to drive the car. So I have to leave him. But anyways, I'm going to pick up some package that we ordered some stuff off Amazon. I bought Alicia some sandals, some slippers. Some slippers. So I'm gonna pick that up and surprise her with that. Let's go get them, guys, and you guys tell me if you like them when we get back.
Start over, what's that?
No, I tell the people them say, I guess I'm gonna come get my free package them all the while. But nothing wrong so. But we'll work on that. One day. So guys, you know, when you're in the States, you have the luxury of just ordering stuff and it's delivered to your home. Well, in Jamaica, we don't have that. So this is the next best option. We order, it goes to an address and they bring it here. The only difference is you have to pay extra and you have to wait a bit longer. But I mean, it's the most comfortable you will get here in Jamaica with this with ordering stuff on Amazon. And you know, Alicia is used to ordering stuff. You get it the same day right at your doorstep in the States, and she's not used to that here in Jamaica now. So you just have to find another alternative, and this is the best option. Yeah, so no sleep. I have some package for you.
Open it for me. Open it.
And this have your name on it.
That's on me. On me.
I make school stuff. Oh yeah. You know the box, my youth. The box, man. Tell the people them so I get a present. From the Powell posse. I get a present for you. Amik, take it out. Take it out. Look, in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? With your brother bottle. This is not yours, buddy. Look like him only care about the paper. Wow. Wow. Put them on your mommy foot.
Shoot. Wow. I'm ready for our trip now. Ready for the trip.
Why am I so weird? Why am I smell this?
I don't know. Shoe, put it on mommy's feet.
Put it on. Put it on mommy's foot. Wow.
Out and stunting. Ready. Where are we going tonight? Where are we going tonight?
We're going tonight.
Yes, I'm ready.
Bed. Right, that's off.
Where are we going
We
tonight?
are going to bed. Those look cute though, baby.
Yeah, no, I love them.
Look cute.
I love it.
Look cutie, cutie,
Like
cutie.
these shoes just are so comfy. Love it. Ready for the road. Where are we going? Gonna go get dinner?
Lunch.
Lunch?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put it on now.
Yep. What color is the shoes? Black?
This one doesn't.
Look. I mean, when you get bigger, you see all this stuff, you're gonna just be like, why? You're gonna be like, why, Daddy, did you allow me to do this? I mean, those are mommy shoes, not yours. Where are you going?
Okay, so what that now? But I love not sit the place so much. But I think you should not sit the house.
I mean, those are not for you.
I know in the last video, I told you guys we were going to tell you where we're going.
Dun.
But
you have to stay tuned for the vlog.
Yeah, guys, just stay tuned. You will. The next video after this one, you will see us at the airport going on our flight. You know, doing all our traveling stuff, going to our spot, guys. Going to our spot. So just stay tuned, guys. You will not regret waiting. You won't. So yeah, man. Big up to all our viewers and subscribers, the Powell posse. Yeah, man. Don't know. Love you guys for the support.
Much love.
Thanks for watching. Amik, say bye bye. Say bye. Oh, shoes man, say bye. Really, Amik? Really? That can't fit you? Hey. Really?